Phirangki klembang photum penta kelang charidun kenang soraputhak DC Priti Kumari IAS pen pachini. Assam Legislative Assembly Surinira inkora trok kipadu Aphan kipang dagatengsi West Karbi Anglong Hamren District Commissioner Sahim Conference Holalong Phirangki amai ingniponlo. Labang some DC and Parta District Election Officer Priti Kumari IAS pen ke phalong LA constituency hinialong kido lakha pharoi sira Crazy Rongkhang ST LAC Returning Officer Dhruba Jyoti Dev Napen Lakha Pharoi Sira Kre Hini Amri ST LAC Returning Officer Srimati Kelun Tiule Jeme Chetongdun Phirangkia Thengno DC Lapen DO Sangpi Priti Kumari Pen Lamthe Kejai Teng Pulotangte Non MLA Kiliki Bialong Ing Thirjir ingsamjin Klardak Rat Thek Prong Misen Pen Chesik Chedang Pontanglo Kinang sotle sik kedang an parta polling station adim kisi kedang sai doan ta pichun pontanglo halapu election commission of india rona tengpensi raikom saikhe tuma phanta ki toy je phan sikdang thaipen toy bonbomlo west karbi anglong ki parlo nonamat electoral roll along amen kedo kadukave laknira suri thongke pra ke thomra pharo phri ra krip phri atum amen che thaptanglo lasong bongpen pinsong vote up hai lake lak sira surikre trokra pharo sir kebra troksi kebra troksi lapen swarlo aphai lak sira surikre trokra pharo plira thong kebra trok ang bongpen inut pinso takali aro sutakali aphai longponlo pharo sira khri sirongkhang st elesia long lak sira suri thong kebra hini ra pharo phora trokner kebra ke thong vote ke jog aphai klangponlo Lapen lakha pharoi sira krehini amri STLC long lak sira pharo trokner kebra thong kebra isi vote ke jog phai long ponno Nomination alo ke jog pen kangkrung kangsai misen pen petangsi lakha pharoi sira kresi rongkhang STLC pen bangpli na pen lakha pharoi sira krehini amri STLC pen bang ke thoma tumsi kilik kachipati dunpo District Administration hin pen ke pathik pon West Karbi Anglong angkang pi pen kadukavi PS Pharoke thomra phokebra nerkep biponlo la solong rongkhang long PS pharoi sira troksir kebra ke thom lapen amrialong pharoi sira trokebra pho ki bipen hawara joy ke pen vote ke joklong peja phansi avarsai biponlo Democratic arona tengpen anutinta amithang ning ke hang pen kangwai bang pho phan vote ke pache joklong je phan India det charia lo along ki pitang road phirangkia phan aja kong ki pia teng print electronic media tum sitame kelang chari dunje phan arpun ipon polling station do anadim stame kache chok kache theng che bohong charvo ki pavide je phan model code of conduct MCC aron sodak ki pialong ki claim ke nam pa media phan DC pen pachini ponlo
two LACs in 111 Rongkhang ST LAC 289 electors are service voters as you must be aware service voters are those who are serving in armed forces army air force paramilitary and in 112 Amri STLSC we do not have any service voter. We have zero service voters. With respect to zones and sectors, 5 each. We have 5 each zonal officers across the two constituencies, and we have 22 sectors in Rongkhang and 33 sectors in Amri. So this is the information. As already I have shared the timeline of elections. The date of poll will be 9th of April and the date of counting will be 4th of May. All the other timelines have already been met. All the details I have already shared with you.
Hamren pen Daniel hi Karbi Anglong live